Thanks for clicking Florida Outdoor Adventures. If you're new to the channel, welcome. In today's video, we're going to install a Yoshimura exhaust system on a 2017 Yamaha Super Tenere. Only 2 bolts to take off the OEM exhaust, one right up here and one down here. Just loosen them up and remove this one.
120 pounds.
Put this on your T7, buddy.
No. Suspension won't work.
No.
No, in the floor,
Okay.
Yeah, throw that shit in the garbage.
Yeah.
The exhaust gas.
There's like an exhaust gasket here that you have to take off that we won't use anymore. And use a rag because it has a lot of metal fibers, which I like to call tiny ninjas with swords.
Wait. No coming out.
And they will stab you. You might have to try to loosen it up. There it goes. So if you want to reinstall your original exhaust, you're going to want to keep this and not break it like I did. This comes right off.
Get a new one.
Yeah, or buy a new one. Recommends using a little bit of anti-seize. Yeah, just slides right in.
Exactly.
Put it on. Okay, you put the grommet on. There we go.
Okay, good. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the install video. Big thanks to Massimo and Dr. Fox, the man from Japan, and the best cosmetic surgeon in Naples. And Miguel, just to I just got here.
Just a drink over
I had
here.
a drink.
Cheers, brother. Viva Japón, Yoshimura.